boys, I'm a fool for your love.
Fucking zip ties?
What's up, ladies?
Zip ties.
What are we doing right
We
now?
have a black zip. We have black zip ties. You won't see it.
Hey, Matt, you want to tell us what we're doing right now?
My car had two titties. I didn't like them. I kind of I like having them big, so I was like, all right, well, let me just get one big one. So I did. Its name's Garrett. It's one nice big titty. It makes a nice whistling sound. Meet Billy Bob Thornton.
She's nice.
Those are the old ones back there.
Let's go look.
Those are the old ones back there. Didn't really like them too much. They complained a lot and gave a lot of problems, so we decided to throw them out in the garbage. And I took the subframe out, power steering out, not power steering, well, steering column. Just about everything else. I have the ultimate drift angle. And yeah. So we did the uninstall already of the twin turbos, but you could find those everywhere. We didn't really want to do that, but now we're going to do the install of the Dock Racing single turbo kit. So the kit comes with literally everything you need. All the miscellaneous bolts and screws, all the V-bands, extra hoses, oil and feed lines, stainless steel, ceramic coated hot pipes, every single one of them, coolant pipe, charge pipe, a turbo blanket, intake, not the exhaust wrap, and then 2 tile wastegates that are straight dumps underneath the car. The install is fairly straightforward in all honesty. The only thing that, first of all, there aren't really instructions, but second off, the only thing that's really difficult and hard is getting, you know, the rear inlet out, the coolant expansion tank and the power steering reservoir need to be relocated over here because the new turbo sits over there, so it's a little hard to get them seated nicely here. This bracket that was originally over here, we moved over here, bent it up so it's a 90 degree, so the power steering can sit right here, and I've kind of lost the bolt that clips this together, so we're just going to zip tie it in place. And then it also comes with, the kit also comes with these nice hose fittings, where you cut the hose, you slap it on the one side with a clamp, you slap the other on with the clamp, and you extend it to where you need it to go. So that's nice. They gave us 2, one's for the power steering pump, this power steering fluid. One is to right down here, and then the other one's for the coolant, which is all the way over here to all the way over here. So, yeah. Catch you guys in a little bit.
Just a little modification, boys.
Solid. What I was doing there is this oil feed line. I've seen other people as well have had this issue, and I've bent it a little bit, but that's okay. Should have actually blocked this off.
Yeah, you'll get it out though.
It's alright. This hole right here is actually just a little too up and to the left. So I just kind of cut down a little bit, made it a smidge bigger, hoping the bolt can still go through and hold it tight. If not, just a simple washer should do it, but solid. Ow, I have a boo-boo.
Yo, it is. Sick sound. Play a song.
tastes like oil. Man, I actually burned myself. So the Doc Race Kit.
Well, put it in piss.
Comes with a bunch of coolant block-off and oil feed and drain lines. So this little guy in here is the oil. Sorry, this actually no. The little guy in there that's already in the engine is the oil feed. This is the oil drain line that sits to the right of the motor, and at the top left and the top right, there's coolant ports that plugged into the stock turbo. So you plug both of those. So I have the one in the back, but the smaller one to the right they haven't given me. They've given me this, which is for the turbo itself, oil feed to the actual turbo, but they haven't given me the other one. So I'm just gonna run to BMS tomorrow, Burger Motorsports tomorrow, and grab. Gosh, I actually really burnt myself. And grab the coolant block-offs that I need. So yeah, I'm gonna pop this in really quick.
Alright guys, next day, new day, we are back. What are we doing today?
So, last night we were having some confusion. I was having some confusion. On all the videos I was watching on how to install the turbo in terms of plumbing it, so coolant and oil lines, the coolant it was just blocked off, and then there was one tube that just recirculated everything else, right? So you had these two coolant plugs, right, that plug it off. I got these from Burger Motorsports because instead of having this one right in the front, which would close bank 1, I had this one. Now you can tell the difference here because this is an AN fitting right here, and it's feeding something, or at least returning something. So I was extremely curious, and I went online and I was reading. These Garrett turbos actually come with not just oil feed and oil drain lines, but on the side right here, and on the side right here, coolants or water lines that feed and cool the turbo. So I was going online and I was looking, and then I figured that out. So right here, you got these two bungs that go in, and you have two more stainless steel water lines that plug into it, and then this one right here. And on the actual coolant line, there's another one that connects it. So you have feed and drain, and this is only for the Garrett turbo option from Doc Racing. Now, of course, you don't have to run coolant in it. You could easily block it off. That comes with block-offs as well, but you know, you might as well because that's the way they designed it. So yeah, just to inform you guys, if you don't go with Precision or Comp or anything else, you go with Garrett. That's how you have to route the cooling, and we'll show you in a little bit later.
Yeah, so guys, these are the ones that came with the kit right here, the silver ones, and the black ones are the ones we bought from Burger. And there's the turbo, guys.
Also got a max.
And the max on it.
And a 3.5 bar T-Max sensor parts.
So let's get right into this work. Alright guys, so I was wrapping these things. The fucking everything. I was just wrapping everything. I was wrapping it in some heat wrap. So yeah, I was wrapping in the heat wrap, and we need zip ties to hold this stuff down. And I was like, shit, we don't have enough zip ties. Half of them are already connected, so we can't even use them. So I think we're gonna have to go get a zip tie run, and maybe a little couple other stuff. Who knows?
Hey.
All right, guys. At the cheek.
I forgot my belt. Nice breeze out today.
Let's hop in the hoe. And let's go to the stove.
Ready for this 800 horsepower twin turbo LS.
Let's hear some revs, boy. Woo. You hear the Terpskis? Just kidding. It's a stock LS3.
Stock LS3. For now.
Yeah.
It's not LS3. It's like a.
I don't know. Let's just go to the store.
It's a 5.3. I don't know. LSs are crap anyway.
Yeah. Let's go to the store. And girls, we have made it to the zone of the auto. Let's just go inside and check out the stuff. So we're here in the store. You buying CHF? Gotta look for some metal zip ties.
Does it fit my car?
Yeah? Sick. Woo!
Cool. That was a pack.
Yep, let's go find those. Alright, we got the. So focus. CHF.
Power steering fluid.
Yes, boys. We got some heat tape, some coal heating tape. Just gonna use this in the background. The zip ties we need. And some wrenches just to make the install a little bit easier on ourselves. So, no, fell. Let's get back to the house. Alright guys, so we just got back from the parts store. I'm sitting at the desk right now because I'm just going to do a quick little work, and then we'll go back outside, finish wrapping all the stuff, and we're going to get this work done for tonight and this video. So let's hop right into that work.